Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to get order-filled sound on TradingView. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Before getting started, make sure you're connected to TradingView paper trading or a supported broker account. Once connected, open the trading panel and click the settings icon to access your trading preferences. Within the settings menu, go to trading section and locate the execution sound option and make sure it is enabled. This sound plays whenever an order is executed, providing immediate confirmation that the trade has been filled. Next, go to Alert section here. Verify that alerts and notifications are enabled within TradingView. While execution sounds are separate from standard alerts, having notifications enabled helps ensure you receive important trading updates. You should also check your browser settings to confirm that sound is allowed for TradingView. If the browser has muted the site or blocked audio permissions, you may not hear execution sounds even if they are enabled within TradingView. After completing these settings, place or monitor an order through your connected account. When the order is successfully filled, TradingView should play the execution sound automatically. Keep in mind that execution sounds are triggered when an order is filled, not when it is submitted or waiting to be filled. And that's it. So that's basically how you can get order-filled sound on TradingView. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.